I know the staff there, they address you by your first name. They make you feel like you're part of a family. And that makes you feel welcome, and it's a warming feeling when they do that. It's not cold in the office, it's just kind of a warm feeling from the staff.
Definitely every time I call, I feel very confident that I'm going to get a call back that day. There's going to be follow through with whatever my concern or my question is.
When I walk in that office, I'm greeted professionally but warmly, and I have a relationship now with people in the back. So whenever I call, it's always good to hear from them, and everyone has been so wonderful and supportive.
My husband comes and, he takes the time out to be really personal with my husband. And I just love that. It's like they're friends. I'm like, do y'all know each other? Because it's like they're friends. So, I really appreciate that too.
One of my best friends is actually Dr. Bullen's nurse, and we became best friends because of her care and our personalities. And if I call, they're just really quick to get me in. And I've also referred several patients to Dr. Bullen because of the amazing care that I have received throughout my 15 years of being a patient of his.